Welcome to KoCoS, my name is Alexi Hein, I am part of the service team, and in this video I will show you how to use the ACTAS and PROMET devices. To sync ACTAS and PROMET, you will need to ensure that all devices are up to date, and you are using the latest ACTAS 2.60 software. This will prevent potential firmware incompatibilities and ensure smooth operation. You can update the ACTAS P system with the help of the service menu and a USB drive with the required update file. The device will display instructions while the process is being worked on. After the completion, you might have to restart the device to activate new features if they were added with the update. Update files for hardware and software can be downloaded in the custom area on our homepage. Now you will need to put all devices into a remote mode to enable them to communicate between each other and access them via the ACTAS software. The ACTAS P system has to be switched to ACTAS 2X remote mode in the settings menu. After that, use the return key on the top left to get back to the main menu and activate the remote mode by pressing the OK button. The same goes for the PROMET devices. They will need to be set to remote and assigned the individual pole. With the PROMET SE, you can reach the menu by pressing the escape button and you see the mode selection view. Switch to the switchgear testing mode and set the required pole settings. Pressing OK will put the device into remote and the screen will turn black to save energy. In case you're using a PROMET R600, you press the escape button and select the DRM mode. Now you can set the pole settings as usual and press OK to enable the remote mode. Please note, the PROMET uses a custom version of the RG45 connection and needs to be connected to the designated ports on the ACTAS P or C system to sync up the testing properly. To use the PROMET via the software, you can utilize the PROMET console and either dock it or leave it as a floating window inside the ACTAS software. Please make sure that the switchgear or connected load is wired up to the PROMET correctly before trying to establish connection. As soon as you open the PROMET console, a process will begin to measure and determine the cable resistance automatically. If you now click on the green refresh button, the software will try and establish connection to all devices that are physically connected to the ACTAS, and the cable resistance measurement process begins. After the process is complete, the PROMET console will display ready for test in the info tab. You can now open a test plan and perform tests as usual. Thank you for watching. Should you require more help, the service team and myself are always available via phone or email.